Compound light microscope. Brand, Olympus. Compound light microscope is an instrument used to see objects that are not visible with the naked eye, such as cells. Components. Operation. Hold the microscope with 2 hands. Grasp the arm of the microscope with 1 hand. And place the other hand under the base for support. Always keep the microscope straight. Do not swing or tilt the microscope to prevent the components from dropping out. Check the power connector and the microscope's body. Plug the microscope's power cord into an outlet and switch it on. Adjust the light intensity. Adjust the iris diaphragm to allow the light to pass through and have reasonable lighting. Start observing using the lowest magnification objective lens, usually 4x or 5x, so that the 4x objective lens is aiming at the center of the stage. Place the glass slide on the center of the microscope stage and clamp it down with stage clips. Adjust the object to the center of the microscope stage. Move the mechanical stage to the highest position by turning the coarse focusing knob. Adjust the width of the body tube and observer's eyes. Look through the ocular lens with both eyes and adjust the width so that you can observe the object comfortably. Slightly turn the focusing knob until the image comes into focus. Fine focus the image by only turning the fine focusing knob. If you want to observe using a higher magnification, slowly rotate the higher magnification objective lens into place by rotating the revolving nose piece. Adjust the sharpness of the image by turning the fine focusing knob. Only do not move the stage down by using the coarse focusing knob. Adjust the brightness by turning the diaphragm and the light control button. If you want to observe with a 100x objective lens, slowly turn the 40x objective lens and hold the rotating nose piece between the 40x and 100x so that none of the lenses touches the slide. Add a drop of immersion oil on the glass slide. Turn the 100x objective lens to the center of the microscope stage. Use only the fine focusing knob to bring the image into clear focus. When finished, dim out the light source. Switch the microscope off. Turn the lowest power lens into position. Move the mechanical stage down by turning the coarse focusing knob. Remove the slide. Clean the 100x objective lens using lens cleaning tissue to get rid of the excess immersion oil. Caution: do not touch the glass part of the lens with your fingers. Do not pull the objective lens or eyepieces from their positions. Adjust the proper friction of the coarse and fine focusing knob by turning the friction knob. Too much friction will delay a workflow. Too little friction will make a mechanical stage move down too easily. Maintenance: blow or dust off the dust. that can damage the lenses by using the rubber blower or wet soft fabric. Use only special lens paper or soft cotton buds to clean the lenses. Clean objective lenses and eyepieces with lens cleaning solution sporadically. Start from the center of the lens and spread to other areas in a spiral form. Keep the microscope dry and clean before covering it with a microscope bag.